Hello, Chris from My Stamp Lady here. I'm going to show you today about something I did not know about, and I'm stunned I didn't know this, but we have a great adhesive for putting on little pieces like this Joy. It's a fairly simple card, but I really like the sparkle and the little sequins, so let's get started with it. So let's start with a piece of Soft Sky cardstock that is 3 7/8 inch by 5 1/8 inch. I am going to add some embossing down here with an embossing folder, but before I do that I want to stamp so that I don't have to worry about stamping over any bumps or any embossing. So I'm going to start with this snowflake, and this snowflake happens to be from the most recent Paper Pumpkin kit. If you would like to know more about the Paper Pumpkin kits, I have a link below that you can find out more. Add that in. So we're just putting the snowflakes off to the side here. Now I'm pulling in my Northern Flurries embossing folder. I'm going to emboss that right down in this corner down here. So I'm placing my cardstock in the folder, and then I will run this through the Big Shot machine. Okay, so that's been run through the Big Shot, and that's now has this embossing over here. Now I can put this right down on my Lost Lagoon cardstock as a mat for this piece. Just right there. This is a fairly simple card, and it's going to come together quickly. And then this piece can be placed right on the top of a half a cardstock sheet, half of 8.5 by 11, so now it's 8.5 by 5.5, folded in half to make my card base, and we're just mounting that on the center there. So now I want to add my little sparkly Joy sentiment, and this die comes with the wonderful wreath framelets, and I have a piece of glimmer paper, a piece of wax paper that I'm placing in between my die and my glimmer paper so that it will release easily from the die. My magnetic platform to place that on there because that will hold it in place, and I'm going to run this through the Big Shot. Place that through the Big Shot. This pops off, and look at that. The wax paper just keeps it from sticking right in there, and now I just need to kind of pop it out of my glimmer paper. Okay. So now I've removed all of the little parts from the Joy. Here is the part I didn't know about, and I just can't believe I didn't get it before now. Stampin' Up! Sells a package called Transfer Adhesive Sheets, and they are 5 3/4 by 7 3/4, and you get 12 of them in the package. And what these are is this top part here is just like an overlay sheet. The bottom is, you can see, is glossy so that it releases the adhesive, and then you just pull it apart. I'm just grabbing the corner here, pulling this apart. So there's adhesive on this bottom, and then all I have to do is place down, move this out of the way, place whatever piece that I want to attach to cardstock or to my projects. I'm going to rub over it, and what I'm doing by rubbing over it is I'm pressing the adhesive from the slippery sheet onto my designer piece. So now I lift back up the top sheet here, pull up my piece, there we go, and now I have adhesive on the back side. And I can just place this down on my card front and press it. Look at that. Amazing. So easy. Easy to do. Easy to get that piece on there. It's stuck, and I can't believe I waited so long to get these. Okay, so to finish off my card, I'm going to grab a few of the sequins from the Frosted Sequin package. So just to draw a little my eye upward, I'm going to take and put a little bit of adhesive there, put down my larger sequin, put down that one, and there. And then we'll just let that dry, and then my sequins will be stuck to my card front. And look at that. If you have any questions about what I've done, don't hesitate to contact me, Chris, at mystamplady.com. Thanks for watching, and all these supplies are available in my online store at shopwithmystamplady.com.